What's up, everybody? Topps Chrome Baseball Day. I ordered 2 standard hobby boxes and this one jumbo box, which, as you can see, promises 5 chrome autograph cards per box. So yeah, this is like the super duper 12 packs, 13 cards per pack. Ohtani on the front. And let's just get right on into it. It's already been a long day, but it was nice to come home to a jumbo box of Topps Chrome, that's for sure. Love to pull 1 or 2 good autos, but I think usually you're lucky if you get like 1 good one and then 4 ones. We'll see. My luck has been pretty good lately, so maybe, just maybe. Alright, here's the fatter, thicker pack. This actually hit the market yesterday, so lots of people have already seen them. I'll show it anyways, just in case. Here's a J.D. Davis base rookie. Jack Flaherty rookie. Yeah, these look really good. The players really pop. Looks good. Clint Frazier rookie. Sandy Alcantara rookie. A Jose Quintana, excuse me, refractor. Cole Hamels, what do they call it? Prism, I think, refractor. These are not individually numbered. They really look good. Freshman Flash, Dominic Smith. Looks like a green Carlos Carrasco. Yep, number 299. Ozuna, Strasburg, Yoan Moncada, Gary Sanchez, and Hunter Renfroe. Should have one of my other regular hobby boxes in later today. I'm not sure when the other one will come in. Cody Allen. Here's a Gleyber Torres rookie. And followed by a Victor Robles rookie. And a Walker Buehler rookie. It's a nice pack. Miguel Cabrera refractor. Marwin Gonzalez Prism. And our first autograph is Anthony Santander Blue rookie refractor, numbered out of 150. Really good looking on-card autograph. I'm not sure if all 5 autographs will be on card. We'll see. Jackie Bradley Jr., Conforto, Goldschmidt, Castro, and Cano. Adam Jones, Andrew Miller, Brian Dozier, Chris Sale, sweet, an Ozzie Albies, Lord, I can't talk. Ozzie Albies rookie refractor. Very, very nice card there. Ian Happ 35th anniversary refractor. Lewis Brinson Future Stars. And another autograph, Paul Blackburn rookie, and it is on card. I don't know if you can even see the signature. The cards are so dark. There. So that's 2 of the autographs. Altuve, Chris Davis, Matt Chapman, Syndergaard, and Ryan Braun. Brian Anderson rookie, Miguel Gomez rookie, Albert Pujols, Billy Hamilton, Chris Davis, an Andrew Stevenson rookie refractor, Clint Frazier rookie, 35th anniversary version, sweet. Giolito Future Stars, Verdugo Freshman Flash. These look really good. Luke Weaver, Cabrera, Elvis Andrus, and Jake Lamb. There's Keuchel, Adrian Beltre, Eric Fedde rookie. There's a Shohei Ohtani rookie. Zach Granite rookie. Elvis Andrus refractor. Brett Gardner prism. Here's a, oh, I don't know what they're calling this, black and white or reverse and negative Hunter Renfroe. It's not numbered. And the next autograph is Tayron Guerrero, again on card. I have no knowledge of Tayron Guerrero. Elvis Andrus, Jake Lamb, Quintana, and Chris Bryant. Craig Kimbrell, Edwin Diaz, a Nick Williams rookie, Victor Arano rookie, Tyler Wade rookie, Jackson Stevens rookie, a Chris Bryant refractor, Herrera prism, Trey Turner, Matt Carpenter, Severino, Lewis Brinson, and Verlander. Cole Hamels, Tyler O'Neill rookie, David Robertson, Austin Hayes rookie, Andrew McCutchen refractor, a Devers rookie 35th anniversary. Good looking card there. Sean Newcomb future stars, Rhys Hoskins freshman flash, a purple Hanley Ramirez. That is a gorgeous card. It's a really deep purple. It's numbered out of 299. Yeah, that is really, really nice looking. Bohr, Fulmer, DeJong, and Taiwan Walker. Nicky Delmonico rookie, Dustin Fowler rookie, Devers rookie, Lucas Sims rookie, Ryan McMahon rookie, Chance Sisco rookie refractor, Chris Bryant, Christian Arroyo future stars, Marcus Stroman, Marza, Anderson, Cespedes, and Mancini. We're still looking for two other autographs. Looks like there are parallels aplenty in this box. We'll see how the regular hobby box holds up. Scribner rookie, Dylan Peters rookie, Addison Russell, Brandon Crawford, Chris Archer, an upside down Jake Lamb refractor, Mookie Betts prism, Kenta Maeda, Josh Donaldson, John Lester, Marquez, Thames, and Castillo. Is it Thames or Thames? I have heard his name pronounced so many different ways by so many different people. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Nito rookie, Urena rookie, Verdugo, Machado, Gohara, Luke Weaver refractor. Ooh, sweet, an Aaron Judge prism. And the next autograph is Hunter Wood. Definitely nothing stellar there. Stanton, Jackie Bradley Jr., Conforto, Goldschmidt, and Castro. Those, I've already pulled those. We're down to the last two packs. It'd be nice to get one decent auto. Because like I said, it looks like we have one and then a couple of that are kind of junk. Corey Seager, Encarnacion, Rhys Hoskins rookie, Singh rookie, Woodruff rookie, a Mayhaw rookie refractor, Justin Turner, Bryce Harper Superstar Sensations, and a Jack Flaherty autograph. Trevor Bauer, Doolittle, Cruz, and Scherzer. And the last pack. Daniel Murphy, Chris Taylor, Anthony Rendon, Alex Reyes, a Garrett Cooper rookie refractor, Manny Machado, Superstar Sensations Lindor, Cano, Weaver, Cabrera, DeJong, Taijuan Walker, and Giancarlo Stanton. We will go over these autographs one more time. It was Jack Flaherty. I think they were all rookies. Hunter Wood, Tayron Guerrero, Paul Blackburn, and the blue Anthony Santander. Definitely the best of the bunch, I think. So, I mean, lots of good rookies. Definitely plenty of parallels and insert parallels, and you know, that's kind of what you buy Chrome for. So kind of glad I didn't buy more than one of these jumbo boxes, so we'll see what the 2 hobby boxes deliver. Maybe they'll give me a good autograph out of one of those. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. I'll be back on the next video soon.